Waka still dey plenty for late Captain Hosa Okunbo family home as BEDC former Edo speakers pay condolence. Engineer John Ayodele of IBEDC, former Edo speakers Victor Edoro, Justin Okunbo and some ogbonge people carry Waka go pay condolence visit to late Captain Hosa family. Since Kapi go join Baba God, Waka never finish for him house for Benin City. Many people still dey go visit him family as his death still dey shock. Chief Operating Officer of IBEDC, John Ayodele talk say he remember Kapi for every good thing. He say Kapi na philanthropist and plenty person benefit from his kindness.
I remember Captain for every good thing. He was a director with us. He's not only director, he's one of the founding fathers who bought the He's an enigma. He's somebody that has lived his life in the service of others. He lived his life for others in a lot of cases. He's a philanthropist, he has good gesture in life. Everything good about a man, you can find it in him. And a lot of people have been talking about how he has been good in one way or the other to them, how he has helped them. And I think all of us we are beneficiaries of his good gesture.
Former Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Justin Okunbo, talk say Kapi na everything to the people. Say them wey be Kapi friends, they pray to get good record like him.
I'm here today to sign the condolence register because Captain Hosa meant everything to everybody. Those of us alive are only praying that we should be able to go home like he did with a clean slate. The biggest gain you have in this world is to reconcile yourself back to God before you go back to meet him. We pray that his soul rests in perfect peace.
Victor Edoro, wey also be former speaker, talk say words no go reach to take describe the person of Kapi because Kapi live better life.
We are here to pay these condolence visits, having it in mind that what is lost in Edo is huge. And it's going to be difficult to have this food replaced. Having known all this, Captain Hosa is a man of so many parts. A word is not enough to identify him as a person, but all we know is that he lived a good life. He represented a lot to the minds of every other person. What we want to tell the whole world is that this icon who has departed had lived well in his capacity as a human being. And the life he has lived is worthy of emulations. And those of us that are still living should, as a matter of fact, emulate all this gesture that he had left. The basic fact is that he came, he saw, he conquered. He was a good man. He's a perfect man.
The Great Women Theatre Troupe still carry Waka come Kapi house to come greet the family. Them come they give ogbonge praises on Kapi. Them say them go miss am well.
Hey Captain, he walk your way, Baba, obvious to know where, walk your way, and do menu summer, Abu walk your way, and do menu summer, Abu walk your way, Baba, and do Yahweh, oh dear Baba, oh, Yasote with Potoki, and Yahweh Baba. O te Nigeria Yahweh mami o pasi mare o gbe mani bufu se when oga terupa me o edene iga nestu me when oga terupa me edene ga give usive e baba be o wo ki ogwe e baba be o era bi agaga
This night the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una. My name na Ehivema Ihimi, reporting from Captain Hosa Okunbo house for Benin.